fraction. It's a very specific mathematical task you need to do, so I want you to watch the video rather than just ask questions in class. An example of that would be something like 0.2818181, etc. That would be written in your exam as 0.281 with a dot above the 8 and the 1, because it's both of those numbers that keep repeating. Your task is to write that as a fraction, and you can always do that if there is a recurring decimal. The technique you use is you call this number x. So I'm going to write x equals that. Now you realise that the dots mean 818181. Now there's a property here. If you have two numbers that repeat, if you choose to multiply this number by 100, two numbers, it's got two zeros. If there were three numbers repeating, I would have times by 1,000 because it would have three zeros. What happens, I'm going to rub the top number out. Thank you, and walk across. If I times by 100, remember what would happen with the digits. By times it by 100, the decimal place, or these numbers actually, are going to move to the left, so it will become 28 point, and then 1818118. And that's what 100x would be. Because of that, you should now see that in these columns, and because it goes on forever, it doesn't actually matter, that they're always going to be above each other. So if I now subtract both of these values from each other, like a sum, that 8, take that 8, will give me nothing, 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 nothing. I end up being able to cancel out all of that, because I know however far back it goes, it will always cancel out. So my answer is going to be 28.1 take away 0.2. Well, 28.1 take away 0.2, if you want to borrow, it's the same as 11 take away 2, which is 9, and 27 take away 0, which is 27.9. On this side, it's 100x take away x, which is 99x. Now you've written it like that, if you divide both sides by 99, you'll end up with x equals 27.9 over 99. And because you don't want a decimal in your fraction, you now choose to times the top and bottom by 10, which keeps the fraction equivalent, i.e. the same value, but it gets rid of the decimal. So your answer is 279 over 990. And if you were to type that into a calculator, it would give you 0.2818181818, etc. And that's how you turn a recurring decimal into a fraction.